Hello, welcome to Primo Motor Cars. Thank you for watching another preview of a vehicle that we have here for you. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 Infiniti Qx60 all-wheel drive. Take a look. This is a 2019 Infiniti Qx60, 3.5 liter motor in it, front sensors, front camera even, side camera, alloy wheels, reverse sensors, all-wheel drive, automatic lift gate in the back, third row seating, leather interior, vents in the back, memory seats, power locks, windows, cruise control, tilt wheel, power tilt wheel at that, heated and cooled seats, backup cameras, last but not least, a sunroof. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call here at the dealership at 808-334-1111 and ask for me, Rhino. I'll be able to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.